Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. Today I'll show you a simple recipe to make your very own organic breadless Zinger burger. Way better than eating that airy sugary one from KFC full of nasty chemicals that no one knows about. They should say secret chemicals, not secret herbs and spices. Made with grass-fed, pasture-raised, unhomogenized skinless chicken breast. It is a carb meal, but it can be consumed after a workout or on a carb diet. Step 1. First, get 3 plates, placing the flour, eggs and breadcrumbs separately. Whisk the eggs using a fork, then add the herbs to the flour. I'm using sea salt, turmeric, oregano and chili. You can add whatever you like. Then, grab 2 defrosted chicken breasts, keep them thick. I think that will take longer to cook, but you get more out of every bite. Cut sideways both directions, keeping the chicken a little thick. Step 2. Then dip the chicken in the flour first, coating it well, then into the egg, then the breadcrumbs, then set aside to absorb and dry for around 10 minutes. Step 3. Meanwhile, heat the frying pan with a 1/4 cup of butter. When it's melted, place chickens in. We just want the breadcrumbs to cook, so we know the outside is done. Then turn on your oven and preheat it to 200 degrees. Have the cheese, hot sauce and organic pineapple ready. Yes, I eat the inside too. I don't like to waste organic food, plus it's very sweet. Step 4. Back to the chickens, flipping them on the other side. When cooked, transfer them to the oven pan or baking tray. Pour the butter on top, then let it cook for about 10 minutes, checking on them. I think when you turn the heat off in the oven stays warm and allows the chicken to cook a little longer. Step 5. So now add the cheddar cheese slices when melted. Take them out, put them on the bench. Then add your organic hot sauce on top of the cheese. Then place the chicken stacking on top of each other. Then add a pineapple slice or vegetables. Even make a coleslaw like KFC by simply adding a food processor and chopping cabbage, carrot and olive oil with lemon dressing and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for tanginess. Step 6. Serve and enjoy your very own healthy, nutritious, chemical-free hot Zinger burger made with minimal ingredients. Be seeing you in Mike's Organic Cafe, where we turn foods that are bad for you into delicious, filling, gut-friendly foods.